In today's video, I'm going to be using a Ninja air fryer with 2 zones, and I'm going to be cooking a retro dinner from the 90s. Turkey dinosaurs and smiley faces. Gonna be partnering that with baked beans. The great thing about this air fryer is that I'm able to put the turkey dinosaurs in this tray here. I'm able to put the smiley faces in this tray here. And then using the sync function, which is here, there's the sync function. I'm able to press that button, and then both of these foods, they will finish cooking at exactly the same time. So first things first, we have to press the power on button, and then, which I've already done, you put your food in the tray, as you can see, and that's pretty much, I mean, I wouldn't fill it more than that, to be honest with you, because the more you fill it, the more you're going to have to keep shaking this tray or turning it over, and you won't get such an even cook. Here is the smiley faces. Bake for 12 to 15 minutes in a normal oven. Place on a baking tray. Yeah, so it's again 12 to 15 minutes, but it says the oven should be at 180 degrees, whereas these are meant to be cooked at a higher temperature. We're gonna select the max crisp mode because we want the most crispy results. This works very well with frozen foods. This 240 degree temperature is fixed. The only thing you can adjust is the time. Right, for this one here, I'm gonna set it a little bit longer because I want it extra crispy for these. So it's number 2 now, set at number 2, press max crisp. There you go, max crisp, and now that side is flashing. So we're gonna set that to 12 minutes. When we press start, what's going to happen is this side is going to start and this side is not going to start until both of them have 10 minutes left. So let me just do that now. Just going to press start. Ah, no, I did something wrong. I'm going to do it again. This always happens to me, I'm telling you. I always do this. Side number 2, 12 minutes, and then you have to press the sync button there. I missed that button. So you press that, and when it's illuminated, then you press start, and then now the right hand side should start first. And then see, the left hand side is on hold. The right hand side is approaching 10 minutes left. Now this side is going to start. And now they're both on. So now the turkey dinosaurs, they're getting cooked. The smiley faces, they're getting cooked as well. With these air fryers, the whole point is that you're using little to no oil. These 2 foods haven't had any extra oil added. We're going to check how they're getting on, and the guide recommends that you turn them or shake them to make sure that it's extra crispy. So we're going to do that now. Just having a feel of that. Yeah, it's already started to get a bit crispy, but it's not hot enough yet. What we want to do, because these are quite fragile, these dinosaurs, if you shake it, they'll probably break apart. So you just want to turn it. See, look, one's already broken apart. It does work well, but with less in it, because it's quite a big capacity, but it's not very big width. So they're kind of all stacked up on each other. I tell you what, we're going to put that back in now. Now let's have a look at the smileys. As you can see, they're starting to get done, but there's a bit of inconsistency there. And again, it's because of how much I've put in. I mean, I can tell you I've put in about 450 grams, right? 454 grams, which is about a pound. I think we're going to need more time for this cook, but we'll see how it gets on. Right, so here's the turkey dinosaurs. Let's check on that. They seem very crispy in places, but other places they don't. They're not 100% crispy just yet, so these will probably need another flip. And look, it's all falling apart. It's all falling apart. Has this air fryer ruined my retro dinner? I'm not sure. Oh, it's a mess. I don't know how to do this. T-Rex with a head chopped off. Let's check the Smileys. They haven't been really cooked. They're not crispy at all. So that's a shame. I was hoping that this was going to be all perfect. And I think that's one of the benefits of the ActiFry machines. You know, the type of machines with a paddle, is that you don't have to keep stopping off and doing this. With these, they're good if you put like a shallow layer. But if you don't, then you're going to get some varied results and you're going to have to baby it a little bit more. So I think these both need a few extra minutes. So I think I'm going to press the match here. See? So basically match just means that it's going to do the same on number 2 as it is on number 1. So press max crisp. So it's going to do it together. And let's just put it for like another, let's say 4 minutes actually. Let's give that a go. And now it's duplicating 1 and 2. They're about to finish. Let's see if it's any better. So here's the turkey dinosaurs. Steaming up the camera. There are some burn bits, but it's a lot better than it was before. It actually looks like it's cooked. Here's the Smileys, and they're looking a bit brown. And they sound a bit hard, so and they're not quite evenly cooked. So here's the result of the turkey dinosaurs. So it looks a little bit it looks a little bit like a dinosaur graveyard here. Got a T-Rex with his head off there. This is a Triceratops with a missing foot there. It's another Triceratops and he's got a bent foot. That I think is a Stegosaurus. And he's got a missing head. Stegosaurus with a missing foot. Or leg. No, that's a Triceratops. No, that's a Stegosaurus. Can't even identify them anymore. T-Rex there. Missing rear leg. This one is the only survivor. This Stegosaurus here. T-Rex here. Without a head. So, not really a T-Rex, is it? Here's the decapitated heads and feet of the poor dinosaurs that we had over here. Couldn't quite cope with the mighty ninja, unfortunately. Right, so let's have a look at the Smileys. They've looked happier before, I think. Frownies, not Smileys, after being burnt to a crisp. See, look. Yeah. Not as cooked on the other side. Ah, there you go. We've got some Siamese twins here. Kind of connected and ripped off. Sad times. Sad times. Not quite like how the lunch lady made it. Well guys, that's the end of the video. Upsetting times. Subscribe if you want to see more of these videos and see if it's actually good at cooking other types of food.